The 3 battalions are ready to cover the target position number 2, and each company is ordered to fire. If it is poor, it will cover the firepower and be responsible for precision strikes. I believe everyone has heard this sentence. It is 2 different tactical ideas. Today, Brother Zhong will take stock. First of all, what is poor firepower coverage? It means that when the intelligence is limited, the target is not clear, or the resources and technology are not enough to support precision strikes. A wide range of high-intensity saturation attacks are used to ensure the suppression or destruction of the potential target area. Generally, the advantages of the clearance tactics in the anti-guerrilla warfare of traditional artillery suppression. Area bombing are simple and direct, low dependence on intelligence, and strong psychological shock. The disadvantage is that the collateral damage is large. The innocent may be injured, and the resource consumption is high. It is also reformed in modern warfare. The second is responsible for precision strikes, which means that when you have enough intelligence technology, such as satellites, drones, guided weapons, and resources, you can carry out precise attacks on key targets to achieve strategic goals at the least cost. Generally refers to the beheading operation common in modern warfare. The destruction of key facilities, such as radar stations and command centers. The advantages include high efficiency, small collateral damage, and low political risk. The disadvantage is that it relies on high-tech systems, which are expensive and require extremely high intelligence accuracy. Do you understand? However, modern warfare is often a combination of the two, with precision first. Generally, drone special forces are used to locate high-value targets. After the game, coverage is carried out to suppress scattered or concealed targets. Even if resources are abundant, coverage capabilities need to be retained to deal with complex scenarios, such as dealing with large-scale troops. Even if resources are limited, precision may be achieved through low-cost drones, such as modified drone attacks in guerrilla warfare. These 2 sentences also reflect the dialectical relationship between resources and strategy. First, the military level, from carpet bombing in World War II to surgical strikes in the Gulf War, reflects the transformation of technology team tactics. Second, individual decision-making.